So here's an idea. Try decorating your tree with real flowers instead of ornaments. What I did was I used a basic tree, but I added real flowers. You put them in water tubes and they will make the flowers last for a week or even longer. So these roses look great, but you can use fake flowers as well.
I love this floral theme. I've never done this, but I think it's so brilliant, especially for an entryway to bring in fresh florals because of the fragrance, of course. It's just amazing.
Yep.
Walk us through your tips because I just think these are just inspired.
Thank you. So you saw the clip that I did the mini floral tree with the red flowers, and that's, you know, you can use traditional colors, but I decided to go with white hydrangea because they look like snowballs and they're all fluffy.
It looks like fresh fallen snow.
Exactly. This is like flock, major flock. And then you can add spray roses, regular roses. These are wax flowers. These are great to fill in. The reason I like hydrangea is because it's a really big flower and it fills in the
space.
Takes
up a lot of space.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
And they're inexpensive. And the key to keeping these alive is just putting the flowers in water tubes.
In the water tubes.
Exactly.
And then you only have to switch them out like once a week or 10 days.
Exactly.
It's just brilliant. And even as they dry, hydrangeas are gorgeous.
True.
Yeah,
very
they
true.
look very pretty.
And another way to really amp up your tree is, I know that a lot of people use these string lights and they wrap it around in the traditional manner, but if you really want a beautiful, vibrant, bright tree, what I like to do is I take the string and I wrap each individual branch from the back to the front.
And go deep.
And go deep.
Give it depth.
Yes, and that's important to do. And then when you do that, it takes a little bit more time, but it's so well worth the impact.
My mom always bought 100 lights for every foot.
Exactly.
100 lights for every foot is what my mom bought. You just see that whole form, and it is stunning.
Yep, it's totally illuminated.